You'd never hurt him. So you never hurt me. How you doing? Yes, you are my best friend, but my best friend. Who was